Oh, I love that question. Thank you so much. mRNA vaccines were actually, they started to study them back in the 1980s or 90s, I believe, when they were doing research initially on Ebola and HIV. And the vaccines did not work in those populations because of the rapid mutation that was going on in those particular viruses. However, the mRNA vaccine was studied very deeply, and what it does is it's a little piece of genetic messenger RNA, not DNA. The messenger RNA goes into the cell and takes over some of the machinery to create the protein that the coronavirus has on its outer core, the spike, those little spikes in the corona that you see in the drawings and electron micrographs. So the immune system sees that spike protein being produced and creates an immune response, an antibody to that spike protein. Subsequent studies within weeks are not showing that the mRNA is even there anymore. It is broken down in the cell. But that creation of the protein, which does not appear to have any other effects in the body or in the cell individually, has allowed the immune system to create a memory and be able to respond when the spike protein is in the neighborhood. So mRNA is really the perfect kind of vaccine in pregnant women because it does not change the mother's DNA and it does not stay in those cells long enough to go to the baby. However, babies are being born to vaccinated mothers with measurable antibody levels, the immune response, just as if they had received an antibody infusion like Regeneron that are being given in infusions to sick adults. And they're seeing that same antibody in breast milk. So the mother is vaccinated and is able to provide her newborn with a level of immunity, both through her placental donations to the baby, as well as to the breast milk after the baby is born, which is brilliant.
For more information, you can visit tulsaworld.com.